If you consistently do any combination of these things between POA and free, you'll easily control POA annua in your lawn. First, you need to get on a good pre-emergent schedule. I'm especially talking about a fall application. It's the one that's going to prevent POA from popping up during more mild off seasons and heading into spring. Prevention is the most effective control method because once it rears its ugly head, the challenge becomes even bigger. We'll get to that here in a sec. Look for products containing the active ingredient dithiopyr, prodiamine, or pendimethalin. I use Spectracide Weed Stop for Lawns plus Crabgrass Preventer from Lowe's. Lesco's 007 is another big box option. Regardless of what you use, follow the label instructions and make sure you water it in. I'll leave a link to a video in the pinned comment that will give you more details to make sure you apply it correctly. All right, now let's address what to do if the POA is already staring back at you through your window and laughing. I mentioned that the challenge only gets bigger from here, but there's still hope. You'll really have your hands full if you let it go to seed. That's when your problem starts to multiply, literally. POA annua is a winter annual bluegrass that germinates in fall and flowers a little bit closer to spring. Then it quickly produces seed heads. You must prevent that from happening at all costs. Whether it's staying on top of mowing it down with your lawnmower or using your string trimmer, don't allow it to start seeding. POA thrives in shady, wet, cool conditions. It grows in clumps with a very weak, shallow root system. That's good though, because it gives us more hope at controlling it if we've already got some, because we can easily pull it. Handpicking POA is a piece of cake and the quickest way to remove it. Now, it might not be the best option if you have an infestation, but for a few patches here and there, it's a no-brainer. It's gone, and you'll prevent seed heads at the same time. But if your yard looks more like a POA lawn than anything else, it might be a different story. But don't worry, there's still hope for you. You may just need to use an herbicide. And here you've got two options. Let's start with our first one, a non-selective weed and grass killer. Its targets are in the name, weeds and grass. That means it's going to kill everything it touches. You hear me? Let me repeat that because this is so important. It's going to kill every single plant it touches, including the grass you want. If you use a non-selective herbicide, you better darn make sure that all the desirable grass around the POA is 100% completely dormant. If it's not, it's gonna die too. So if you're not willing to take that risk, you can try another type of herbicide, a selective one. Selective herbicides or weed killers are safe on grass, but not weeds. However, every weed killer will not work on POA annua. It must be specifically labeled to control it. Most products on the shelf like Spectracide Weed Stop or Bio Advanced Lawn Weed and Crabgrass Killer won't do a dang thing. About the only one I know of at the big box store is Image Nutsedge Killer for southern lawns. You'll notice annual bluegrass listed on the back. I've never used this product, so if you have, please let us know about your experience below. If you've gotten to this point in the video and you still feel hopeless about controlling POA annua in your yard, guess what? There's still hope, for one season at least. POA struggles in the summer heat. As temperatures reach that 80 to 90 degree mark, it will start to turn brown and die. And then you're kind of left with some bare spots. But don't worry, those will fill back super easily and quickly if you've got bermudagrass like I do. Just a heads up though, if you've got any POA in those shadier, cooler areas, you'll want to keep an eye on that because it can still survive during the summer. So if you do, just rely on everything we've already talked about to control it. In case you haven't figured it out yet, there's really no reason to get your panties all in a bunch over POA. There's always hope in controlling it. As long as you're applying pre-emergent, preventing seed heads, hand-picking it, applying herbicides, or simply just relying on the summer heat. I've hardly seen a clump of it in my lawn over the last 7 to 8 years, and that's without using any post-emergence. Once you get it under control, doing the things we've discussed, and stick with it. That's the key. Stick with it. You'll get there too. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you soon.